day trading live this morning, making 2 trades, 2 winners. Stay tuned, see what went down live in this video. What's going on, guys? So before we get into the action, do me one big favor. I keep saying this. I know you guys are trying to help. I know you are. I know, it's sometimes you forget. But do me one big favor, hit that like button, leave a comment. It's not that I feel better by getting comments, which, it's nice to get comments. Really what it is YouTube rewards videos, rewards channels that get more interaction. So the more you guys like the video, the more you guys comment, the more it's going to help the channel grow and also help me get rewarded for making these videos every day. So if you do enjoy these videos, if you like what we're doing over here, do me one big favor, hit that like button, leave a comment. You can leave a comment just saying good job or awesome or thumbs up, whatever you want to leave. Just leave a simple comment. It really does help these videos and the channel grow. And that's kind of the game plan here. So help me help you. And let's get into that live action right here. What's going on, guys? Taking a look here at GNC. It's Tuesday morning. Been watching GNC, this pre-market, seeing what's going on with this stock. Up there to the $6 area. Was thinking about shorting it at the $6 area, but I told myself, hey, I'm not going to short pre-market. I'm going to wait for open and then see if this thing can get back up to that $6 area, get stuck there. So my plan right now is to see if GNC can go crazy here at open, jump up there to the $6 area one more time, get stuck there, and then pull back. If it breaks above $6, I'll be looking for a possible short there at the $7 area, which is the 200-day moving average on the daily chart. So just looking for an opportunity to short here on GNC. I want to see a pop or something so I can short into this, but it looks like I might just want to sell off and break below this 540 area. Okay, so there's some strength on GNC. So let's see if this can get moving here. Bounce off that 540 area nicely. Now support area, pre-market support. Going short there at 560, getting stuck there. Let's see if this will pull back down to the 540 areas. And there we go. Boom. Down to the 540 area, taking that profit. That was pretty good. Making $114. And we got in there short at 555, 15, 20 seconds later. So I ended up covering there on GNC. I'm not sure why I got filled there at 555. I thought I was getting filled at 560. So there it is, that pullback down below that 540 area. GNC moving lower now, down there to 536. I'm not too sure why I covered when I did. I think I just got excited for a second. The real goal here was to break below that 540. So GNC down there to 535 now, breaking through that 540 support. That would have been probably a better cover area. 560 area was a nice little short, looking for that move back down to the 540 area. Looks like we're finding some support now. GNC bouncing back up here. Look at it, coming up. It's coming up. So good thing that I covered when I did. I probably could have covered a little bit lower, but still, you can see some strength here coming back on GNC. Look at it. She's back. She's coming back. Let's see if this can. Let's see if this can get up to the. Let's see if this can get up to the set. Let's see if this can power up there to the $6 area. So GNC getting up to that 570 area. I was hoping this might have some power to get going up here to the $6 area and get really overextended. But that 570 area once again holding it down there. Let's see if it'll bounce off this 540 again. Nice little short opportunity from the 570 area down there, back down there to 548. CATB getting up to that $2 area here. Let's see if it's gonna break over $2. There's that break over $2. Going short here on CATB at the 201 area. Let's see if this will pull back. Maybe that pull back down below $2 here. Got filled there at 195. Not really liking how it's kind of bouncing around there. Maybe it goes lower from here. Just going to lock it in there. Put me up $60 on CATB. There it is, bouncing down there now to this thing's going crazy this morning. Not too sure I wanted to hold through this. It was kind of bouncing that $2 area. And it was looking like there was people stepping up there, but it needed to pull back either way. So it pulled back down there to that $1.86 area. Taking a look here at AQMS, looking for that $3 area break, but this thing's just not really ripping right now. Maybe if it gets above this high of day there at 290, it might start ripping, but I'm not too sure I want to trade AQMS. I might stay away from it. Looking at GNC now, it's like, oh, what was I thinking? What was I doing? It's all, hindsight's always 20/20. I really should have just shorted this one there at the 570 area. I was hoping we might get up to the 560 area. You can see we bounced off that 530 area. It got there to the 570. I was like, oh, this is looking like it wants to rip. Looks like it wanted to get up to the $6 area. That would have been where I was waiting to short. But you can see it just really went to 570 and then pulled back hard. And then I was looking at it like, well, now it's not doing much. And then it was bouncing 540, and then kind of talked myself out of this one. But really, this should have been, I was capitalizing on it. You can see from this morning, now it's easy to see the trend here. Channel there. We had two little pops above this kind of trend right there, breaking up there the 570 area. And now look at it, down there to $5. So that would have been a beautiful opportunity to go short here. I could have been a little bit more aggressive here. I could have shorted there at the 570 area one more time. I was watching it. I was telling myself, nah, just wait, Patrick, just wait for this thing to get up the $6 area. Let the trade come to you. You know, sometimes the trades don't always come to you. And I think this, you know, $6 might have been a little bit too greedy, trying to wait for this to get the $6. But instead, I think I really should have just kind of shorted another 1,000 shares there at the 570 area. Got down there to 540. And then let this one ride, you know, from 570 down there to 505. That's 60 cent, 50 cent move, 1,000 shares, but $500. You know, what am I learning from kind of this last couple of days of trying to have this plan at open and all that? I think the key here is to really just focus on kind of the plan that you have set and then look to execute that plan. And, you know, sometimes you have to adapt a little bit. I mean, obviously $6 wasn't going to come again. So I should have seen this like, hey, here's the trend. It's trending lower. So we had that previous resistance there at the 573. This got to 571. This probably would have been a good short entry. You know, now looking at it, obviously hindsight's 2020, so I can say, oh, that was a beautiful short entry. Breathe, deep breaths, and pull the trigger there at the 570 area, and look for that move down below that 540. In terms of support there, I mean, maybe this thing goes back down to the $4 area. You know, maybe it pulls back down there to the 480. Kind of 60 area. End of day here, this thing could be back down to 460. We'll see. You know, a stock that really kind of played out exactly like we planned, and just needed to be more aggressive to trust in the method. Trust in the method, understand the method. And 114.60. I'm up 70 bucks on the day. Not a bad day. It's green on the day. It's Tuesday. Market's kind of slow, choppy. Not a lot of things going crazy here. CATB's really choppy and all over the place. You know, you need to execute the plan, focus on the plan, make that money, and then walk away. There's no point in sitting here all day long and over trading and trying to force trades and all that fun stuff. This was the trade that I should have capitalized on. This was the trade that I should have really hammered into the ground. You know, I probably could have got 2,000 shares short at the 570 area and then looked to cover half there at the 540 and then let the other half ride. I could have played it definitely better, but still green on the day. It is what it is. $100 every day keeps the bill collectors away or something. Keeps it something. $100 a day. I mean, whatever. I mean, $100 in 30 minutes. So if you guys can do me one big favor, if you watched this entire video so far, do me one big favor, hit that like button, leave a comment if you do enjoy these videos, and also don't be afraid to subscribe.